pleasure to stand before you and share some of the precious moments during the last 2 years. Do you know, we have learned rhymes, stories, letters, numbers, words, discipline and behavior. We have enjoyed very well all occasions we celebrated, including Independence Day, Sports Day, Children's Day and Annual Day. Dear teachers, you have always loved and cared for us. Your guidance, love and care will always be treasured in our heart. Thank you for knowing us. Teachers, we love you so much. Last but not least, I thank our principal, vice principal, school management and my dear parents. Before I conclude, I would like to recite a rhyme. We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky. We are the children. We want to shine. We are the children.